building's been full of music. We've had Dowdeswell, we've had Ellie Sax, and we've had the band of the Royal Marines. Real variety of music making, different styles, and lots of children trying out instruments for the first time. There's been lots of smiling. There's been lots of amazement as well when you hear a full band or a professional trumpeter or a saxophone player playing close up. I think that's a really, really different experience.
So I'm Ellie Sax. I'm a professional sax player and I play kind of dance and house music all over the world. So we've been doing some little performances up here, doing DJ and sax and kind of showcasing what you can do with a saxophone basically. Some of the kids have been having a go on the decks and some of them have been asking questions about saxophone and kind of what you can do as a professional musician. So we've just been kind of hanging out and filling people in.
I was asked to come here because as a young teen I learnt music here. It's come to see all the teachers that taught me once a long time ago. It's nice to sit in with all the kids and one day hopefully that they will find some kind of music. If it's not military music, they'll find something here at the Albemarle.
Yeah, they're fantastic. The band came and played with the Royal Marines band. I sat in with them all, and they sounded great. They were sight reading the music. Hopefully, it was very inspiring for them, and it was great to see all these like uniforms of the Marines in with the kids, and everyone took part and everyone enjoyed themselves.
Visit hullmusichub.com. Getting more information there, or if they're at school in Hull, speak to their school. We work right across the city and we can liaise with their schools about how to get them started.